Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us face at some point in our lives: renting versus buying a home. This decision can feel overwhelming, especially with all the misconceptions floating around. So, let's break it down. Renting typically offers flexibility and lower upfront costs, making it an attractive option for those who may not be ready to settle down. On the other hand, buying a home can be a great investment, allowing you to build equity over time. However, it comes with higher initial expenses and long-term commitments. Understanding these differences is crucial, as the choice between renting and buying can significantly impact your financial future. Many people mistakenly believe that renting is simply throwing money away, while buying is always the better investment. In reality, the best option depends on your personal circumstances, financial goals, and market conditions. Throughout this video, we'll explore the financial implications of both renting and buying, helping you make an informed decision. So whether you're a first-time homebuyer or considering a rental, stick around as we unravel the truths behind these two housing options. Let's tackle some of the common myths surrounding renting a home. One of the biggest misconceptions is that renting is always throwing money away. While it's true that rent doesn't build equity like a mortgage does, it's important to consider the flexibility and lower upfront costs that renting offers. When you rent, you typically pay a security deposit and the first month's rent, which is significantly less than the down payment required for buying a home. This flexibility can be a game changer, especially for those who may need to relocate for work, school, or personal reasons. Renting allows you to adapt to life changes without the burden of selling a property. For many, this strategic choice aligns perfectly with their lifestyle, whether they're young professionals, students, or those who enjoy traveling. Additionally, renting can provide access to amenities and locations that might be financially out of reach if you were to buy. Think about it. Renting in a desirable neighborhood can offer a vibrant lifestyle without the long-term commitment of homeownership. So, before you dismiss renting as a waste of money, consider how it might actually fit into your life and financial strategy. Renting can be a smart choice for many, offering both freedom and financial prudence. When it comes to buying a home, there are several myths that can cloud our judgment. One common belief is that buying is always a better investment than renting. While homeownership can build equity over time, it's essential to recognize that it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. Market fluctuations can impact property values, and there's no assurance that your home will appreciate significantly. Another aspect to consider is the hidden costs of homeownership. Many first-time buyers overlook expenses such as property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance costs. These can add up quickly and significantly affect your monthly budget. Unlike renting, where maintenance is often the landlord's responsibility, homeowners must be prepared for unexpected repairs and ongoing upkeep. Moreover, buying a home involves a long-term commitment that can be daunting. Once you purchase a property, you're tied to it, which can limit your flexibility to relocate for job opportunities or lifestyle changes. This commitment also comes with risks. If the housing market declines, you could find yourself in a difficult financial situation. In summary, while buying a home can be a rewarding experience, it's crucial to weigh these myths against the realities of homeownership. Understanding the risks and costs involved will help you make a more informed decision. When it comes to the financial aspects of renting versus buying a home, it's essential to take a closer look at the numbers. First, let's compare the monthly costs. Renting typically involves a fixed monthly rent payment, which can be easier to budget for. In contrast, mortgage payments can vary based on interest rates, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. While mortgage payments may seem like an investment, they can also come with additional costs that renters don't face. Another critical factor is property appreciation and depreciation. While buying a home can lead to equity growth if property values rise, there's always the risk of depreciation. Economic downturns or neighborhood changes can negatively impact your home's value, potentially leaving you with a property worth less than what you paid. In contrast, renting allows you to avoid these risks, as you're not tied to the property's market performance. Ultimately, personal financial situations play a significant role in this decision. Factors such as job stability, income level, and savings can influence whether renting or buying is the better choice for you. It's crucial to assess your financial health and long-term goals before making a commitment. By understanding these financial considerations, you can make a more informed decision that aligns with your lifestyle and aspirations. When deciding whether to rent or buy a home, lifestyle factors play a crucial role. One of the most significant considerations is job stability and mobility. If your career requires frequent relocations or if you're in a field with uncertain job prospects, renting may be the more practical choice. Renting offers the flexibility to move without the hassle of selling a property, allowing you to adapt to new opportunities as they arise. Family size and future plans also heavily influence housing decisions. For those planning to start or expand a family, buying a home with enough space can be appealing. However, if you're in a transitional phase or unsure about your long-term plans, renting can provide the necessary flexibility to accommodate changes in family dynamics without the commitment of a mortgage. Personal preferences and lifestyle are equally important in choosing a home. Some individuals prioritize urban living with access to amenities, while others may prefer suburban tranquility. Renting can allow you to explore different neighborhoods and find the perfect fit for your lifestyle without the long-term commitment of homeownership. Ultimately, understanding how these lifestyle factors intersect with your housing choices can help you make a decision that aligns with your current needs and future aspirations. Whether you choose to rent or buy, it's essential to consider how your lifestyle influences your living situation. Understanding current real estate market trends is essential for anyone considering renting or buying a home. One of the most significant factors influencing home buying is interest rates. When interest rates rise, mortgage affordability decreases, making it more challenging for potential buyers to enter the market. Higher rates can lead to increased monthly payments, which may push some buyers to reconsider their options or delay their purchase altogether. On the rental side, market trends are also shifting. In many urban areas, rental prices have surged due to high demand and limited inventory. This trend can strain renters' budgets, making it essential for them to evaluate their options carefully. As rental prices continue to climb, some individuals may find it more financially viable to explore homeownership, especially if they can secure a favorable mortgage rate. Additionally, regional differences in housing markets can significantly impact both renting and buying decisions. In some cities, the housing market is booming with prices skyrocketing, while others may experience stagnation or decline. These regional variations can affect everything from rental prices to home values, making it crucial for prospective renters and buyers to research their specific markets. As we wrap up our discussion on renting versus buying a home, it's essential to reiterate the importance of understanding both options. Each choice comes with its own set of advantages and challenges, and being informed can help you make the best decision for your unique situation. We've explored how financial considerations, lifestyle factors, and current market trends can significantly influence your choice. Whether you're drawn to the flexibility of renting or the long-term investment potential of buying, it's crucial to consider your personal circumstances, such as job stability, family plans, and financial health. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to housing decisions. Take the time to evaluate what aligns best with your goals and lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights on real estate and personal finance. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends or family who might also be navigating the renting versus buying dilemma. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.